So I arrive at the farm, and as always, I pause to breathe in the fresh, cool Dominica breeze. It is a Saturday morning, and the dew is still lingering on some of the dasheen and tanya leaves, and boy, is it glistening on the blade grass. Then the homes in the distance caught my attention. My brain always goes into playful mode when I see these houses. Are the residents still sleeping? Or are they up and about? What do you think? Maybe they are up drinking some hot black coffee. Or maybe, just maybe, they are already at the market, bantering with the vendors. On the other hand, they may be the vendors today. And everything's gone up. Just kidding. Here, a fruit is a must. Today's fruit is pawpaw, papaya, and so begins my nature explorations. And today, the path leads me to the butterflies. Really, it had been a while since I spent time with the butterflies. They always seem so far away, so far out of reach, that I would just admire them from a distance and move on. But yo, today was different. Man, butterflies were everywhere. Nature led me right in their midst, and man, that was beautiful. I was touching butterflies, caressing butterflies. Man, I think I got a clip for you. Hey, butterfly. Hi. Hi. Hi, you so cute. Oh, that's the sweetest thing ever. He let me touch him. Oh my goodness. Hi, butterfly. Good morning. Good morning. Say good morning to everyone, butterfly. It's a beautiful day, right? I can tell you're enjoying it. Me too, buddy. Me too. So there are butterflies everywhere. Butterflies, butterflies everywhere. But just as I was admiring them flying freely in the wind, enjoying nature on the Waitakubuli National Hiking Trail, the bare branches and stems of trees whipped by Hurricane Maria caught my attention. I allowed a moment of silence for those who perished and those who experienced loss during Hurricane Maria 2017, my own brother included. And so I continued my exploration, now a bit more focused on the trees. For me, it was how they stood proudly, exuding charm and resilience, like a work of art against the bright blue Saturday morning sky. Perhaps a lesson for all of us. Still we rise, they said. I saw others like Monsieur Poirier, Madame Margot, who stood there artistically demonstrating to the world that they are still beautiful in spite of what some may consider to be flaws. There are some who simply left their legacy. For you and me, it's up to us to carve their remnants, to curate them into pieces of art. And then there's Mrs. Lemon. She was shaken and battered and broken. But from her low-lying position, she continues to sing to the tune of Still Standing, as she continues to this day to supply us with fresh and delicious lemons. Want some? Give it up for Mrs. Lemon. A for resilience. Look at that. Fresh lemons. And so nature abounds here. The shades of green have made their comeback. The agoutis and iguanas running through the fields are amazing. And the birds above, they are singing even sweeter than before. The abundance that nature provides in just this little space is testament to the fact that nature is nature. She has no need to compete. She simply is. She does what she does beautifully, regardless of what we think. So what do? The most we can do is do the most that we can to care for our planet. Do what you can right where you are. Live a sustainable lifestyle, improve your thoughts, look out for each other, and appreciate nature. I hope you appreciate these valuable lessons from nature, and thank you for walking with me.